Hey, this is Doug Peterson with Carolina Rural Homes. What we do is we buy manufactured homes in North Carolina, and we are buying homes, rehabbing them, and then reselling them on the market to try to help with the affordable housing issue that's going on in our state. And in this particular episode, what I want to do is talk about a little bit what we see happening in the market, what we think homes are going for at this time. Perhaps you have a manufactured home that you want to sell, or maybe you've received one of our letters. And the question is, how do you price a manufactured home when it has deferred maintenance? You know, it's easy to look at the market, or at least I should say easier to look at the market and get an idea when a home is when it's brand new, you kind of see what that is worth. When it's completely fixed up with a new roof, new windows, new HVAC, granite countertops, all that, you can get an idea of what that is worth. But the real challenge is, what is a home worth when it has deferred maintenance? And sometimes we make offers and we're a little low or a little high, and it doesn't work out for one reason or another. Sometimes we come to an agreement with the seller and everything is fine. But it's more of an art than a science. And I want to give you this example here of something that has come up recently. This home is contingent. It was on the market briefly. It's in Spring Hope, 1,690 square feet double wide. And what I want you to see here is that this home was listed on the market. Let's see if they give, for $46 a square foot. So it's 1,690 square feet, and it's listed at 78. I don't know what the contract price is, but let's assume it's somewhere in that neighborhood because it wasn't on the market that long. And here's what we know about the home. Great investment opportunities. That means they're targeting investors. The current tenant has lived there 10 years. So someone has lived here 10 years. Okay, we know the carpet's 10 years old, the appliances are 10 years old at least. Maybe they were there even before this tenant. Then they say the house needs repairs, a newer HVAC and water heater where the tenant smokes in the home. We know that if someone smokes in the home for 10 years, it's going to need complete new painting, maybe new sheetrock repair, probably new appliances, new flooring, on and on and on. So the question is, how do you figure out what it's worth in this condition? And this is a professional real estate agent who has listed the home at 78 at $46 a square foot. And even Redfin Estimate here has $76,000 at this condition. So, and I think that is a fairly accurate price for a home in this location, in this condition. Granted, I haven't seen inside the home, but you can see some of the pictures here. As you kind of scroll through, you get an idea of, it's a double wide with the brick foundation, and there's going to be work that needs to be done on the inside, on the outside, and what have you. But what I'm trying to point out here today is, in 2023, as the market is starting to cool down, you start to get an idea of what things are worth in the general triangle area for a double wide on land that is not in resale condition, that is got deferred maintenance and is ready for an investor. So if you have a home that is in this condition, and many people find themselves in that situation, they need to move quickly, or it looks like this might have been a landlord that is ready to get rid of a rental property and doesn't want to put the money in to rehab it, for a new tenant, give us a call. We are buying homes like this all the time, and perhaps you've got one of our letters, and if you think our price is in the ballpark for the condition of your home, then give us a call and we'll work out a deal. This is Doug Peterson with Carolina Rural Homes.